శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 575th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 53rd చాప్టర్. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this, O Raja, Duryodhana now expressing all of his pain to his father Dhritarashtra, now saying like this, O Dhritarashtra Maharaja, there are only two people who did not pay taxes to Dharmaraju. They are Andhaka and Vrishni dynasty. Because they have a relation with Dharmaraju, that is why they did not pay. And there are so many great people. They are all serving Dharmaraju. And all those great kings trying to collect so many things for Dharmaraju's Abhishekam. And Bakhlika brought beautiful golden chariot, Sunidha, Magadharaju, Vasudhanu, all these people bringing different things for Dharmaraju. Ekalavya brought Padukas. Avanti, the king of Avanti kingdom, he brought so many waters for Dharmaraju's Abhishekam. And after all these things collected, Abhyashinchat tato dhaumyaha vyasascha sumahatapah naradancha puraskritya devalancha asitam munim. Dhaumya and Vyasa, having Narada, Asita, Devala, they all did Abhishekam to Dharmaraju. Parasurama, along with all other Maharshis, did Abhishekam to Dharmaraju. As and how all the Saptarshis comes to Devendra, there are so many great learned Brahmanas coming to Dharmaraju. And Satyaki holding Chetram. Bhima, Dhananjaya, they are serving Dharmaraju. Nakula Sahadeva also serving Dharmaraju. And Samudra sent one beautiful present, Senkham, to Dharmaraju. Vishwakarma sent beautiful Kalasam. Then Tena Abhishiktaha Krishnena Tatrame Kasmalo Bhavat. Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma took water with Senkham and did Abhishekam to Dharmaraju. After seeing all that, my mind gone so bad, and sounds coming from so many senkas. With all those sounds, my body started getting goosebumps. And there are so many small kings. Because of so much of glow there, all these small kings even got fainted. And then there are so many people started laughing at those kings and also started laughing at me. Like that, Duryodhana expressing all of his pain to his father Dhritarashtra Maharaju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimannarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.